All right, let's talk a little bit about marketing and why marketing is super important. And one of the reasons why Lorena and I created the ebook that we currently have for sale. So if you're interested in buying this ebook, I highly recommend you get it. If you're a short-term rental operator, it is a must. If you're a business owner, I still recommend you get it because you're going to get a lot of strategies that we use to grow our business into a multi-million-dollar company. But let's specifically speak on the marketing component and why it's important. If you are a business owner, I don't care if you are the best of the best, but if no one knows you, no one cares, and no one's going to do business with you. I always use the example of McDonald's. McDonald's sells probably the most hamburgers in the world, yet they don't have the best hamburgers in the world, in terms of the quality of their food or the taste of their food. For me personally, I rarely ever eat there because it's not that great of a burger. But as a marketing component, they have done a phenomenal job. So again, if you are a short-term rental operator, I don't care if you have the best property with the best amenities, you have to get eyeballs on that property. So a good marketing strategy will give you the necessary eyeballs to your property in order to get your business running efficiently and bringing in the necessary revenue for you to become profitable, right? So here's the first thing that we recommend in terms of marketing. Number one is creating a strategy to build your personal brand. Not when I say personal brand, the brand of your business, not you as a person, but the brand of your business. So for example, with us, we focus on our company, right? Most of the branding we do, the colors we post, all are related to our branding, so that when people think about short-term rentals, they think about us. And that is a very important component. So how do you do that? The way you do that is through your social media presence. Again, if you are a business owner and you're not on social media, you are, number one, missing out greatly. But number two, it's difficult, especially in today's day and age, for you to build that trust that's necessary with the public, right? Like it or not, social media helps you with that, helps you with presence, and helps you to build that necessary trust that you're going to need to get the clients and customers that you desperately need to have in order for your business to grow and to be viable, right? So that's one component. So the next component and why we think a marketing plan is super important. We talked about branding, but we're also now going to talk about that, creating that trust with your marketing plan with your clients. How do you do that? You do that by presenting testimonials with past clients, using other people or leveraging other people that are already a client is going to be huge because it's proof of concept. If one person, right, stays in one of your properties and they love it and they write a good review, take advantage of that. Post that on your social media. A lot of times that one customer who gave you that great review, if you ask them, they'll probably can also create a short video or write you something in addition to that review that you can use for your social media. Again, by doing this, it builds that trust that you need with your clients. So that's that component. Now, in our ebook, we're going to give you a step-by-step game plan, right? From branding, from the use of social media, from SEO optimization. We're also going to give you, it's an interactive ebook. So you're going to get case studies of the plan in action that we did with our business. And you'll see what increases in revenue, how those increases in revenue occurred after we implemented the strategies that we presented in the ebook. Yeah, so each chapter of the ebook, we're going to give you a step-by-step plan that you can start implementing immediately as you're following on with the book, like for example with branding, we're going to tell you exactly, how to pick a name, how to pick a color, what to do with that information, because that's step number one, right? If you're starting a business, that's what you need to think of in the beginning, right? Then from branding, we're going to take you, like for example, social media, when to post, how to post, what you should post. So it's, as I mentioned before, it's an interactive ebook, but it's an ebook that you can read the first chapter and already start taking action with the ebook. You don't have to read the entire book to take action. And we highly recommend that you do it by sections, right? Take the branding section, take the social media section, take the SEO section. Focus on that, develop that, plan that out, work it, and then move on to the next step. If you're interested in getting our ebook, either click on the link in my social media. If it's on YouTube, it's in the description below.